guys, welcome to the video lecture on Introduction to Accounting. So our topic in today's video is on depreciation assignment. In our previous video, we have discussed about depreciation, journal entries relating to depreciation, and an elementary introductory problem on depreciation accounting. In today's video, we will be discussing on one more assignment relating to depreciation. On 1st of January 2017, a manufacturer purchased a machine costing rupees 18,000 for use in his business. He provided depreciation on the basis of the working life of the machine, and that is for 3 years, and at the end of the time the scrap value would be 1,200. It was scrapped and sold on 31st of December for rupees 1,400, that is after 3 years. You have been asked to show the asset account, and the closing of account is on 31st of December every year. Now, since the amount of depreciation has not been mentioned, so we can straightway calculate it with respect to the value of the asset is 18,000, the scrap value mentioned is 1,200, and it is the lifetime of the asset is for 3 years. Therefore, depreciation will be equal to 18,000 minus 1,200 divided by 3. So every year 5,600 rupees depreciation has to be charged. Now, as per the problem, on 1st of January 2017, the manufacturer purchased a machine costing rupees 18,000. So the journal entry will be machinery account debit to bank account. The amount is rupees 18,000. Now, kindly note that he has sold the asset on 31st of December after 3 years for rupees 1,400. Therefore, we require to consider the sale of an asset on the third year. So for the first year, we don't have any sale. Therefore, at the end of the year, that means on 31st of December 2017, we require to calculate depreciation, which was 5,600 as calculated before. Therefore, we get a balance of 12,400, which we transfer it to the next year, that is on 1/1/2018, where the balance is rupees 12,400. So we have completed first year, and in the second year also, we don't have any sales. So straight away we calculate depreciation and mention it as a 5,600. So we get a balance of rupees 6,800 for the second year, and we transfer the same to the third year, which is 6,800 on 1/1/2019 to balance BD 6,800. Now in the third year, there has been a sale of an asset. Now first and the foremost, the sale of we require to understand when this asset has been sold. This asset has been sold on the closing date, that is on 31st of December. It has been sold for rupees 1,400. Therefore, we know that since the asset has been sold on 31st of December, we require to give depreciation for the full year from the period 1/1/2019 to 31/12/2019. Thereby, we have passed the entry by depreciation account 5,600. Now, since you have sold an asset, the next important point comes here, that the asset has been sold at a profit or else at a loss. That particular calculation required to be shown. Therefore, we go back to workings and we mention that the value of the asset as on 1/1/2019 was 6,800, and since it has been used for the full year and was sold on 31st of December, so we have given a depreciation of 5,600 against it. So the WDV of the asset as on 31/12/2019 is the difference between 6,800 and 5,600, which is equivalent to rupees 1,200. Since you have sold that particular asset or the scrap value at rupees 1,400, you make a profit of rupees 200. Therefore, since you have sold it for rupees 1,400, so it will be bank account debit to machinery. So it will be by bank account 1,400 on the credit side of machinery account. And since it's a profit, profit has to be credited as per nominal account. So in the machinery account, it has to be debited on 31/12/2019 to profit and loss account, profit on sale 200. Kindly note, if it would have been a loss, then the journal entry would have been bank account debit, profit and loss account debit to machinery account. Since it's a profit, so it's a bank account debit to machinery to profit and loss, and that is the reason it has been recorded on the debit side. And therefore, since the asset has been disposed of and has been sold, we don't get any balance with respect to the machinery account. So the machinery account for both sides have tallied with respect to 7,000 as the total. I hope you have understood the concept. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.